Hi guys, you are on my channel, I was Orange, and today we review wireless charger for car mount for Samsung or any other, but it's have a fast charging, so it's better for Samsung or who got this. So this is a Baseus. I bought it on eBay. And it's came today, so let's see what's inside. So this is a package. It's a standard package, so this is priority, and this came from Post NL. So it's today I'm doing this with one hand because I don't have a stand. So wait, I open it and then I show you. So I wrap up the package, and there we have. This is we don't need. So we got front. Let me just focus. Yes, so this is the front, the up, side, and some QR scan, and you see it's not sealed and a little maybe broken, but it's okay. So what is here? Everything on Chinese with some emblem, and let's see what's inside. So I think it's not very good packaging. That was here. Yes, so as you see, came in a box. Let me just pull out. So there's the box and the plastic thing from here. Yes, and nothing more inside that we put there. So instruction, not too big, like in two-sided paper. I'll put that inside there. Something, I don't know what it is. This is where you, I think, put, yes, this is where you put your phone, and then you know where you need to put the magnet. Something more, the clipper for the clipper, sticky thing, and here is for something. Everything's in Chinese. So, and here we got more something sticky. I think it's for the base, the cable. There's the cable, and everything is inside here. So this is for phone itself, charger, and the magnet mount. So here we have. Let's start with the magnet for a phone. It's thick. It's okay. That we do later. And charger. Nothing special. Just Baseus and 1.5 till 3 ampere max. That we check later in the car. And the stand. You get here is already on, and you got one extra, so it's heavy with plastics. Let's see, is there just a little weight. Yes, it's turning, and there is the charger point. So yes, there you have it, what you have in the box. So you can subscribe, and later on I put on the car. Later on I put on the car, and then we see how it's work, and is it really fast charging. So I'm already everything mounted there, and then we see how it's work and how it's look in the car, and how you can put where you want it. So if you like it, just push the button and subscribe for me. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.